Walking along the bushland on the way to Mirrabooka Shopping Centre. This is typical Australian bushland. You see how resilient it has been overall during summer. Look at that chair lying on the brush. What's this we've got? Like parcels or something. Strange. I know. It's to do with a computer. Anyway. Beautiful weather. It's around 25 degrees. For you people in Thailand and Vietnam and other countries. It looks beautiful, but it's deadly, the Australian bush. Out in the outback there's no water to be found. There is, but you've got to be really clever to find it. And these plants can live on next to no water. Not like us human beings. There we are, and there's suburbia. That's Nollamara. Not much bird life about today. Very quiet. Anyway, I'll sign off.